Hi everybody, welcome to day 21 of the Art by Marlene Advent calendar mini series. So today we got the little chipboard piece that says love happens, and inspired by yesterday's tag that I did black, I thought I'd go with a black theme again today. So that's just black gesso that's gone onto that tag using a mini blending tool. And then just to break up the blackness of the black gesso, I decided I would add some white paint using the blending tool through one of the mini stencil / masks that we got on one of the previous days. I really love those. I think they're so cool. So I did those sort of in a funky pattern going down the tag, and then I got some of the pieces of paper from the little mini collage booklets that we've also received in the calendar and cut some heart shapes out of those, and they are going to be arranged on the tag. So I started off with those ones and then felt that the pinky ones were too much of a similar colour, so I think I did swap them. I also added some white splatters onto the tag as well, because splatters make everything look cool, don't they? And gave them a quick dry, and then started arranging these on. And this was where I swapped that really pinky one out, one for one that had a slightly different pattern on it. I think that worked better. So I'm sticking those in place using a glue stick. And then using a white Posca pen and just adding like a bit of a highlight around the edge of those hearts. And just smudging it with my finger while it's wet. And then some of the edges hadn't quite stuck down, so I was just sticking those down again. And then using a black gel pen, I'm just doing like a sketchy line around the heart in black again, and then deciding where I was going to put that. So double-sided tape and popping that in place. Next, I used this stamp set, which is stamp 77, and I'm using the little dots, and I'm just popping those here and there on some of the places where the white paint is over the black, and then doing some dots as well using my Posca pen. This is very much something that I always do. And then using the gel pen and just doing like a sketchy border around the edge too. Then I decided I would add some bright colours onto the lettering. I can't take credit for this idea. This was somebody else's idea that I saw, I think on Facebook. I can't remember who it was, so I'm sorry if you're watching this video and think, oh my gosh, I did that. I didn't steal it. I just can't remember who it was did this idea, but it does look really cool. It took quite a while to get these to dry, but when they did, it worked fine. And then I just used my gel pen again just to re-outline those letters, because in some areas it had gone a bit unclear because of the Posca pen. But I love the little flash of colour on those letters. I think it really brings it alive. And then I found a page in my Dina Wakley Blue Media Edition journal, added some black gesso to the page. I had some left over in my little tray, thought I would just use it up, and some flashes of pink as well. And then just stapled it in place using the Tim Holtz tiny attacher. This journal has quite a set of the pages that I've done for the Advent calendar. There we go, that is it. So that is day 21. We are nearly there. We've nearly got to Christmas. So thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow to see day 22.